Hey everyone, Dan Dean here at Grove City Ford. I want to shout out to our sponsor another year, Don Banani down at Image FX. He's the one that actually puts all these banners up every year. I don't know how he does it. I did it 1 year, and these things are a pain in the tush to put up, but he does an awesome job. Thank you again for doing this for us every single year. He helps us out here on a very timely manner. I shoot him a text, next thing you know, it's done. He does an incredible job with Strawberry Days, but this place is a one-stop shop right down on Broad Street. So check out Image FX for any of your printing needs. I mean, I don't even want to say printing. They do everything. They print anything you could think of. So thank you so much, Don, for another year sponsoring, and thank you, Image FX.